All right, day 4, week 2. What's happening today? No deadlifts. Back feels pretty good, but I'm gonna give it a break. But I'm gonna do some straight-legged deadlifts. Let's see how that goes. It'll be light. Rep bench, touch and go. We're doing 4 sets of 10. And vertical pull of choice and tricep movement. Stick around and see what they are. Let's go. So yesterday was a pretty good bench day. Got some decent lifts in. Of course, paid the price today, so it kicked everything back about 15%. So I can get my reps and sets in and keep it at RPE 8. Woo! 115 is feeling a lot heavier than it should, but that's okay. As long as it's getting heavier towards the 10th set, doing great. I got 5 sets of these to do. But yeah, don't whine them, just do them. All right, last set. Getting hard. Okay, benching in the sunshine. What could be better? Okay. Yeah. Whoo. Ooh, feeling thick in here now. All right, I'm calling that a success. I'm gonna try some straight-legged straight-legged deadlifts. Let's see how the lower back likes that. We'll take it easy. Okay, so I modified the straight-legged deadlift because I can't use the big plates. So I'm trying to rest the lower back. So what I'm going to do is just go 95 pounds and do some straight-legged Romainians. Okay. Stretch them hamstrings. All right, nice. So I'm not pushing RP 8, of course, or even 6. I'm giving the lower back a rest, focusing more on the hamstrings and getting some work in without fatiguing it, because I don't want to hurt it more than it already is. Because right now it's only muscle, you know, just fatigue. Okay, vertical pull of choice. Okay, pull downs, I'm sticking with what I was working with last week. Medium grip, not leaning back at all, and mimicking a pulled chin up. If your biceps get sore on this exercise, you're doing this. You should be putting your elbows in your back pockets. And your arms are only hooks, that is all. All right, 4 sets. For tricep today, I choose rope pull downs. Now these guys, if you're using a rope, the idea of this, for me anyway, is to separate them at the bottom and squeeze. Out as wide as you can. Open. Squeeze them at the bottom. Woo! If you haven't done these in a long time or it's your first time, go like 50% of what you think you would do. Heart rate shot, not too terrible, but yeah, we're working. The heart, she's a pumping. Yeah, for any new exercise, whatever you think your max is, go like 50% and do like an RPE 6 that day, because you're gonna be wrecked for 2 days trying to recover when it feels like you had nails pounded into the back of your triceps or any other new muscle group that you work. Different angle. So yeah, it's a piece of advice to help you out. All right. Cup of Joe. That's the show. Thanks for coming. No, it was a good workout. Taking the deadlifts out, you're so much more fresh, because deadlifts just beat the crap out of you. Whatever age you're at. If you're working RPE 8s and stuff, it's a lot of tax on your body and on your central nervous system. So yeah, I already did a set of deadlifts this week, and the back's recovering really well because I've managed to back off and other things go up. Go figure. It's a nice bumpy cycle upwards, but sometimes you got to go down a bit to go up. That's it for this week. I get a couple days off. Got a bunch of get ready for winter stuff to do in the garden, unfortunately. But yeah, one thing that's nice about winter, we don't have spiders the size of your head. All right, see you next one.